Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off touch sound in oppo. So let us start our video. Move on the setting icon first. After that you will see many options. Scroll up some more, and here you will see many options. Firstly you have to click on sound and vibration option. After that you will see many options. Scroll up some more, and here you will see touch sound option, which is already on. So if you want to turn off touch sound, so firstly off touch sound in this way, it means that it doesn't produce sound when we touch on the screen. I will show you. Here you will see now it doesn't produce sound when we touch on the screen. So in this way touch sound will be off in our mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you want to get any information about any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.